This video is created for educational and informational purposes only. The solutions shared here are based on common technical scenarios and may vary depending on device model, app version, or server condition. For official assistance, please contact the respective app support team. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a common issue many users are facing right now. As you can see on the screen, the message says, confirm your identity to send messages. Certain actions have been restricted due to unusual activity. If you are getting this warning and you are unable to send messages, don't worry. This is a security related restriction, and in this video, I'll explain why it happened. Let's start with the reasons. First reason is unusual activity detected. If the system notices something different from your normal behavior, like sending too many messages in a short time or logging in from different locations, it may temporarily restrict your account. Second reason is use of VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or switching IP addresses frequently, the platform may think your account is being accessed by someone else. If there are multiple failed login attempts or logins from unknown devices, your account may be flagged for security reasons. Fourth reason is automation or bot-like behavior. Using third-party tools, auto messaging apps, or scripts can trigger this restriction. Fifth reason is new or inactive account activity. If your account is new or suddenly becomes very active after being inactive for a long time, the system may require verification. The main solution is to confirm your identity by sharing your documents. When you see the continue button, click on it and follow the verification steps provided by the platform. You may be asked to upload a valid government ID such as a passport, driving license, or national ID card. Make sure the document is clear, not blurred, and matches your account details. In some cases, you may also need to take a selfie or complete a face verification process. Follow all instructions carefully. After submitting your documents, wait for the review process. This can take a few hours to a couple of days depending on the platform. Important tips: do not use VPN during this process, avoid logging in from multiple devices, and stop any automated tools if you are using them. Also, make sure your account information like name, date of birth, and profile details are accurate. So, this is how you can fix the confirm your identity to send messages. This is mainly a security measure to protect your account, and once you complete the verification, your messaging access should be restored. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you still have any questions, comment below and I will try to help you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.